Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download Phantom Wallet on your desktop or on your laptop. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now, the thing you have to know is that you can't really download Phantom as a software. You will have to download it as an extension to your browser. So whether you are using Google Chrome or Edge or Brave or Firefox or even Opera in my case, you will have to download Phantom on your desktop. So here you will have to go to Google and then type Phantom and then here download. So be careful of the phishing websites and the fake links, of course. So you will have this link here, phantom.com. Click on it and make sure it's the official link. Here you will have to choose your browser. So let's say, for example, Chrome. If you are using Opera like me, Chrome will be fine. But if you are using Firefox, then just choose Firefox, and the same goes for Brave and Edge. So click on Chrome. If you are using anything other than these three, Chrome will do the trick. So go to the new tab that has just opened. It is just basically the Chrome Web Store with all the extensions. So you will just have to click on Add to Chrome. So click on Add Extension, and then it will be added right between your extensions right here. So wait for it a few seconds and it will appear. Then once it is there, you will just have to enter your email and your password or maybe your security key. And that's it, basically. That's how you do it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.